Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add an email to YouTube channel. That it will be important if you want to other people to contact you or for your business. And in this video I will show you how to add the email. Just when you go to YouTube, click in your profile image and then click your channel. After that, click here, customize channel. And then you click basic info. After that, just scroll down and you will see here contact info. Here email, just type the email and then just click publish. This is what you need to do if you want to add an email to YouTube channel. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.